how to change or set home screen wallpaper in our Windows. Welcome to SOFTECHIA. Guys, in this video of the day today, we are going to learn how can we change our Windows home screen wallpaper easily. So let's watch this video till end. Now to change Windows home screen wallpaper, we will have to come on our home screen here and right click on our mouse and it will open a drop down list here. In this list we can see multiple options or settings are available, but to change our home screen wallpaper we will have to click on our personalized setting below here and it will open a background option page. Here in this page you can see multiple options are available. So look at below here on choose your picture option. Here you can see multiple pre-designed home screen wallpapers are available. So if you want to choose any one from them, then you can simply click on it and it will be selected as a home screen, you can see here. But if you want to set an image according to your desire from your local computer, from your folders, then click on browse option here below and it will open a pop-up page, and here in this page just like it, and here in this page we have to choose our image from our folder where you have kept that image. Now I have selected our image and click on choose picture below here and our picture is set as wallpaper successfully. Now click on choose a fit option below and choose center from this drop down list. Here we can see on the display our home screen is successfully set as you desired. So if you got this video informative, then like this video and subscribe.